guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is revamping my wardrobe. So it's not anything drastic, it's just tidying everything up, putting organisations in there. You will see anyway of what my wardrobe's actually looking like. I've got storage in there that I don't now need because it had all my Christmas clothes in, but all my Christmas clothes has now been packed and underneath the bed, so I've got that storage free. I've got shelves that is empty that needs sorting out properly. What else? I've got to get new clothes to the wardrobe. I've got a middle drawer that's just got loads of stuff in at the moment. I just don't know what to do. So yeah, it's going to be a revamp of my wardrobe. It's just going to be putting organisation bits in, sorting it out properly. It's just reorganising it. That's what I'm trying to say. Is there's nothing wrong with my wardrobe exactly, but it's just where things have been thrown in and not been put into the proper places. It's driving me crazy. Like over the Christmas period, I just literally just chucked everything all in my wardrobe, and it looked a mess. It looked such a mess, and there was a few storage bits that I thought, yeah, that looked really nice, but as I put it in and my clothes went in, it just did not look right. And yeah, I just really got to change it. There's backpack stuff in there that needs to come out and be put somewhere else, but you guys will see anyway throughout this video. Like with all of my other videos, like my dressing table, salon trolley, lag shelf, this is just a before, so showing you my whole entire wardrobe, what it looks like, what sort of things that I've purchased, what sort of things I'm going to keep, you know, giving you some ideas of what's going to go on inside my wardrobe, and then obviously do a full tour when it's all completely done. I'm going to buy all new clothes. I've got some summer stuff in there that I can actually get rid of, because when I was sorting out my suitcase for the holiday, I bought so many bikinis which I didn't actually need. So I've got to go through them. Ones that I don't want, just get rid. What else? I've got so much stuff in there that just really needs to just organise properly. It's doing my head in now. I don't know if you guys are anything like that, but when you see things that's not in the rightful place, you think, for God's sake, that just really needs to be sorted straight away. So what I'm going to do is show you a before clip, and then after that I'm going to show you of like where I've got things and what sort of ideas I'm thinking about in my wardrobe to put in there, like extra storage and stuff. Do you remember them little storage things I've got on my desk that's got my perfumes in? I'm actually thinking about getting some of them for the wardrobe as well. But yeah, I will describe everything about that throughout this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Would have seen in the before clip, so obviously I've got Christmas clothes storage up there which needs to be sorted out. I don't know whether to keep it or not, that's another matter. And then obviously I've got a hanger here for all my hangers. I'm actually going to keep the way it looks like this. This is the only way that I can actually keep things, because I did actually visions of having just tops here, but the tops were too long and the gaps only too bit small. So I thought, do you know what, I'll just keep my spare hangers here. Excuse these skips here, these are for work. But I've got my two jewellery boxes at the back, my little trinket box there, and obviously I've got this which won't be here. This all needs to be tidied, organised, sorted out. Then I'm thinking about these, which has got my bags and my accessory stuff, going up here, up the top here. So obviously that will be taken out. Then I will have all this spare. So I'm thinking about the acrylic drawers that I've got for my perfumes going in here, so I can put some storage stuff in there so it looks really nice and tidy. So down here, I'm actually thinking about keeping this as it is, because I've got my tanning stuff at the back there, and then I've got my lotions one at the back there, and then I've got my body sprays here and my underarm spray here, which is just perfect because it's all storaged, it's all lovely, and I can see how much stuff that I actually have. So this is the only thing that's not changing. This is staying exactly where it is. I don't know whether to get some more of these to go in this drawer or them acrylic drawers, I don't know yet. And then obviously I have a pulley drawer here. I don't know whether to keep these as they are or put like them little storage drawers in, because I've got batteries here, I've got wax melts, essential oils, and then my brush cleaning stuff. So I don't know whether to keep these exactly the same as they are or just get drawers. I don't know yet, so I've not really decided on what's going on at the moment. Then this drawer here, this is the drawer that I was on about all the bikinis and stuff. I've bought so many for the holiday. Let me check this out. I bought so many for the holiday that I didn't actually tend to need or gonna use, so I'll go through them, just basically pick out the ones I really want to keep for the holiday, like for summer here. And this is just a bag full of makeup that I kept just for over Christmas and I haven't put away yet. But I kept makeup in this bag for my wardrobe because I didn't want to keep going into my dressing table all the time just to get a load of makeup out. So yeah, and that's been in there since Christmas. So yeah, I really need to sort that out. This is staying underneath here. This is our little laundry basket. So that's staying down there because it's nice and compact down there. But yeah, there's just a couple of things that I will change and sort out and reorganize in this part of the wardrobe. Then in this part of the wardrobe, these are going to stay exactly as they are. I've got my winter shoes in there and my summer shoes in there, so they're going to stay exactly where they are. Then I've got my clothes here, which I will revamp my clothes because it's looking a little bit bland, boring, you know, it's just the same colours and I need to revamp it. So the only thing that's changing, that needs to be changed, obviously I've got a pair of boots hidden in my clothes, which I actually bought for going out and I completely forgot about them because they're hidden. I can't see them. So yeah, I've got to pop them away. This is the storage that I was actually on about. It looked like a good idea at the time, but now it's just looking like a mess and I don't like it. So I actually bought this storage bag from Amazon. It was meant to be like an underbed storage sort of thing, and then I put a load of like backpack stuff in here, like throws, blankets, cushions and stuff. So yeah, it just really needs to be sorted out. I need to get them all out, put them away properly. I've got like beach towels down here as well, throws, they need to be sorted out. So yeah, it's just, it don't look right. It looks really a mess, it looks untidy and I don't like it. So that is obviously got to be sorted out ASAP as soon as I get onto the wardrobe section. Drawers, I've got this one here. This one is, I would say, okay-ish. Now, obviously I'm keeping these because they're my sunglasses case, and obviously there is two missing here, but they are in my suitcase ready for the holiday, so I'm definitely keeping these. And then obviously I've got spares here to put some more sunglasses in. I've got these two trays here, which I'm definitely keeping. I just need to reorganize them a bit more better. I've got this one as well. Again, it just needs to be revamped. And then obviously I've got all my purses here. Like I've got another purse which is in my handbag right now. but they just need to be put away properly. They need to be sorted. Yeah, it's just looking a bit untidy, so I need to sort this out. I am thinking about getting more of these trays, but I don't know whether to put them in the other sliding drawer. I don't know yet. I'm not going to show you too much in here. I'm just going to show you like my socks and that. But this is my underwear drawer. It's got these storage in from Ikea. I do like the way it's set out, but I don't know, it's just the way these are setting. It's a bit squished here. It just like looks a bit too tight, so I might change that around a bit. This is the drawer that I meant. Everything's just chucked in. I've got all like stuff in here that I don't really use, so I just keep it in here. I've got my mini eyeshadow palettes in here. My Aveeno Skin Relief Spray, yeah, that's in there as well. I've got some socks in here, I've got a bag, some boots, a towel, you know what I mean? So I really need to sort out this drawer, find out what's actually going to go in here and organise it properly. This is my pyjama drawer. It looks a mess at the moment. It was actually organised, but now it's just gone like a mess. I've actually got to go through some of my pyjamas because some of them are a bit too small for me now. So I've got to go through them, and obviously I'll end up getting new ones. And then, oh, I missed a drawer. No, I haven't. Then in here is all of my leggings. So I've got loads of stuff in here. I've got like work leggings in here. I've got some more leggings at the back. I've got some jeans at the back there. Some furry leggings. It's got like furry lined in. Loads of different leggings. It's got like patterns down the sides, and I've got cycling shorts here. I've got loads of them, so I really need to go through everything and sort it all out properly. And then just underneath here I've got these acrylic trays that's got like my body sprays in for summer, and then I've got like makeup bags and cosmetics bags straight underneath here. So yeah, it really needs a good vamping, sorting out, organising properly, and yeah, it's just got stuff everywhere. Stuff needs to be taken out, stuff needs to be put in, but yeah. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be sorted throughout my wardrobe. Organisations needs to go in, some needs to come out. I need to get whole new clothes for my wardrobe. Like I said about that middle drawer, like I've got boots in there, towel in there, I've got socks, a handbag, loads of cosmetics. Like, I don't know whether to keep that as like a makeup drawer or just put like little shelvings or them little drawers that I've got for my perfumes. Keep them in like a separate area. I don't know, yeah, it's overwhelming. Like when I open that wardrobe, I think, oh my God, like there's just stuff everywhere. So when I go to revamping it and putting all the storage stuff in, I will need to take everything all out, give all the shelves a good clean and tidy, make sure there's no dust or anything. Just go like shelf by shelf and then drawer by drawer. Do it a little bit at a time. Yeah, it's just so much. Like the actual wardrobe itself is perfect. Like it's my dream wardrobe. I've always wanted an Ikea Pax wardrobe. So the actual wardrobe itself is nothing wrong with it. It's just, I think it's the way that I was quickly styling it. I was trying to get it all done and fixed and trying to put things in there. I was just so excited at the time because it's my dream wardrobe, you know. I've always wanted a Pax wardrobe and I just wanted to fill it up and put a load of stuff in. But now look at it thinking it's not organised properly. There's stuff everywhere. It's not really exactly how I would like it. So it needs to be really organised properly and sorted out. I said the wardrobe itself is perfect. It's just the way how I just chucked everything all in there and thinking, oh, this can go in, this would be perfect, that would be alright, that would do, you know, this can go in there. You know, every time I open my wardrobe now, I think, oh, it's such a mess. Like, there's stuff in there that shouldn't be in there and it needs to be organised properly. Like, I need to put, I don't know why I put my work crisps in the wardrobe. Like, I think it was just like quick and easy, just shove it in there. I can't see it day to day, but I need to put them somewhere else. They can't be in my wardrobe. I need to sort out my jewellery boxes. There is another jewellery box I'm getting. Obviously I'm going to keep the white one because obviously that was the one that I revamped off my mum's one that she bought me, and obviously the Mrs. Hinch one is definitely keeping. I don't know if they're going to stay in there. If they are, they're going to be displayed differently. But yeah, I will show you the process of it all and what organisations I'm using. Yeah, the ideas that I've got in my head, I've just got to try and to put into reality. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe. Like I said, like with the other videos that I've done for revamping, there will be a full tour of my wardrobe as well. It just needs to be reorganised, sorted out properly, just the way I like it. Like I said, the wardrobe itself is perfect, it's just the way it's sorted and everything was all just chucked in there. It's not agreeing with me. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. As always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.